Hello dear traders, here one more time Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Today, like I promised, we're gonna make the backtesting of the CoffeeBox. I did for the months of January, February and March of 2020. So let's begin explain about the strategy. If you don't know about the CoffeeBox, you can go in YouTube and write in CoffeeBox Lion Bull Academy. The red color will be the English. You can click there and you can see how to use this strategy for free. Normally this is a paid strategy that I find out how to use it for free. Like this, everybody can use this strategy even in Etoro without need to pay this 400 euro for buy the strategy. So let's begin. What we use it for this backtesting. So first of all, we use a risk reward 1-1. It means I don't close half operation when I arrive to the middle of the take profit. I just or win one or lose one. I use the initial deposit of $1,000 only with risk per operation of $50. It means each operation that I open will be a risk of $50. If it's going wrong, I lost $50. If it's going right, I win $50. Okay, it's not the best minimum fair operation. 50 is really a little bit too much for $1,000, but you can decrease the risk in Etoro, an example, by make more big initial deposit instead of 1,000, 2,000, and you can make your risk in half by risk per operation in $50. We can also gonna check about the value per pips. If you will instead of use first risk, you're gonna use $1 for each pips moving the market, how much profit or losses you will make in that situation. We're gonna use only the European market, only the opening of the European market, not the American. That will be 7 to 9:30 in the morning Madrid time. We're gonna use the Euro USD and gonna be, how I say, the day 1 of 2020 till 1 of 4 of 2020. So this is the main graphic. You can see we arrive in 3 months from $1,000 initial deposit till 1,900. It means almost we double as account in 3 months. So let's look in months by months. Wait. Let's look in. First we start with January. We start with $1,000. Then first operation we go up. The first operations we go up till $1,300 because go straight many profits. Next one we go down till 1,200, then 1,300 one more time, 1,350, 1,250, 1,300, and like this go on. We finish the month in $1,400 profit. That was for January. In January we make $400 with just an account of $1,000. So it was really, really great. Almost half of the account in just 1 month. February, we start with $1,400 and we finish with $1,550. So we'll make a profit of $150 in the month of February. And the last we have March, that we start with $1,550 and we end up with $1,900 at the end of March. So really a great beginning of the year. If we use the profit with $50 per trade, we will make $900 in 3 months. It means we almost double as account in 3 months. If we use the profit with $1 per pip, we will make $555 in 3 months. It means half of your account in 3 months is also very nice. A little bit less risky, we can say. The next, if you will use $2 for each pip, you will make a amount of $1,110 in 3 months. A little bit more, a lot more riskier, but also the profit you make more than double of your initial deposit. And the backtest was only 3 months. If we look in pips, we make in January 136 pips, in February 78 pips, and in March 341 pip. And let's now look in the operation, how it's going. From the total of operation of January, we make right 12, wrong going 6, and in standby, they don't the trigger, we don't pull the trigger, was only 2. It means 2 operations we don't operate because was not the right pattern. In February, we make right 9 operations, 5 going wrong and 5 in standby. And in the last, in March, we make right 14 operation, wrong 7 and 1 in standby. Like you can see, all the 3 months really was really nice ratio of winning. So it was really great. Remember, it's risk 1-1, so this strategy need to have at least 60% of ratio of winning. It means of need to be right at least 60% of the time for you can really actually make money. In totally, how I told you, let's write in. We make in 3 months from 1,000 we make $900 profit. I tell you, for $1,000 it's a little bit too risky to use $50 for operation. I will prefer to make the deposit of $2,000. If you make $2,000, you or euro or dollars, whatever you want it, you will decrease the risk of this operation, of this strategy. So that was everything. If you want to look in more backtesting of this strategy, will be only for members, because I start now the membership inside of the YouTube. So the members will gonna have access to all the years backtesting that I am making right now. But don't worry, for all the subscribers, you always are all very dear to me. I will make the backtesting also of the other strategies that I use, always January, February and March of 2020, 2019, 2018. So I will show you 3 months of backtesting of each strategy that I use right now and I was used it in the past, that I thinking is value. For the members, they're gonna have little bit more data, but I tell you, with 3 months data, it's more than enough for you know if the strategy is working or no. Every strategy have good months and bad ones, so which is I will continue make backtesting. When I find a bad month that going really wrong, I will take that special month and make one more video for showing what happened when a month going wrong and how much you can lose in that situation also. So thank you one more time for looking at the video. If you have some question about the CoffeeBox, just comment me down below. If you want to look in the video, remember, go in Lion Bull Academy in the YouTube channel and write in CoffeeBox Lion Bull Academy. The red color will be in English. So thank you one more time and see you next time, guys. Ciao.